Decided to capture the first flight of the Bugs 3 and the Syma body on a couple of cameras, but I realised afterwards for this first flight I was flying around in fairly small circles. So what I did, I've chopped this to just the most interesting bits, and I've done another flight where I go for distance, but even there I have a bit of a twist at the end. But I love the sound of the big props, the big Syma props on the Bugs 3 motors, and it's quite fast even on 2S. So pretty pleased with the outcome.
Engine on. Alarm. 25 decibel. Alarm. 65 decibel.
Oh, that's a reasonable range.
Telemetry alarm to 6.00 volt. Telemetry alarm to 6.00 volt.
It's ridiculous. It's only been up a short time, hasn't it?
Telemetry alarm to 6.00 volt. Telemetry alarm to 6.00 volt. Telemetry alarm to 6.00 volt. Engine off. Telemetry alarm to 6.
Well,